Open the glove box.
Remove the damper arm.
Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lift the flap in the back of the glove box to gain visual access to the filter housing. The installation is easier to do by going under the glove box and through the footwell. Remove the screw securing the filter housing door using a T20 Torx drive. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1252 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. The installation is easier to do by going under the glove box and through the footwell. Reinstall the filter door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch first, then press to lock the top. Reinstall the housing door screw.
Raise the glove box and pinch the tabs to move the stops behind their catch. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.